Michael, here's your 427 small block Chevrolet, kind of a marine package we did for you. Your description combination. It's got the AFR cylinder head. It's a dart block. It's got some Janey pistons, 4340 crank, H-beam rods. It's got a hydraulic roller cam in it, designed for your boat. Little rock air gap, scorpion roll rockers. It's got the SS750 carburetor on it. Go in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, about 2,500, it's 456 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 537. Go flat down there. And peak horsepower 498. We'll run good. Get it off there, get our crate coming away. Have a great day.